Alright, what's up you guys? So I decided to keep y'all updated on what I've been doing with my car. I did order new wheels for my car. As you guys know, I had the TSW wheels on with the spacers that made my wheels stick out way more. It looked alright. I mean, I got the vehicle like that, so I wasn't really complaining or anything. But I did order new wheels and new tires, and I went with the, well, let me just open it and show y'all what I went with. I already opened it, as you guys can tell. I couldn't wait, but these are the wheels that I went with. They are the ENKEI or the RPF1s. Let's see. This is what it looks like this. I went with this because, I mean, I really liked it. I like the color and everything about it. I have all the other 4s right here, or the other 3, and this one is 4. I did get my tires in, so I'm going to show y'all that right now. Tomorrow I'll be installing these. I'll be going to my job because I do work at Toyota, so they can install them there for me, mountain balance the tires. Other than that, these are, I believe, the SBC is what they call them, like chrome type of color. But anyways, let's go check out the tires since you already see what type of wheel I got. It's a beautiful color. I'm pretty sure the camera quality doesn't make justice of how nice this rim actually looks. In the sunlight it looks even way better, so I can't wait to put them on my car. So let's go check out the tires for now. Alright, so I got the wheels in the garage. So these are the wheels that I got. I mean, these are the tires that I got for my rims. They are TOYO tires, and as you can see, they're fucking hella grippy. I can't wait to put these on and see what the ride is like. Supposedly it's super noisy, but I really won't mind. I'm hyped for getting new wheels and tires. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it, take it to my job, and get them installed. Alright, and before we actually put the new wheels on, I wanted to show you what it looked like before. And if you guys watch my previous videos, y'all know that I painted these pink and I took that pink off because I'm just tired of it. This is how the vehicle is sitting as of now with the spacers on. If any of you guys were wondering, I do have the TOYO tires, 25 or the 225 40 18. They are 18 rims, and these are fucking ugly. I am gonna get rid of these. I'm gonna sell them after I get the new wheels and tires on. So that's basically what it's looking like, and I'll show y'all afterwards. Alright, what's up you guys? So today is the next day. I'm putting my wheels on. My buddy just came over. He's gonna help me take my tires and wheels. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it because I'm hyped and I'm ready to just put my wheels on already. It's fucking cold outside right now too. There's like ice on the grass and on the houses. Let's see how cold it is outside. Fucking 36. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is 36 degrees outside. It's fucking cold. I'm not used to this. I'm from fucking Houston, man. But anyways, let's get into it. Y'all thought I was kidding about how cold it is out here in Houston today. Look at the grass, look at the houses. They got like ice on them. It's fucking cold out here.
Now for a couple of nights, need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes.
Alright, so I just showed up to work, and we're about to take these out right now in a little bit. One thing that I did want y'all guys to know is a big reason why I decided to go with a whole different new wheel and tire is because I fucking got a nail in my tire, and I'm always having to put air into my tires, and my tires are basically worn out already. The only good two tires are the ones in the rear. The ones in the front are complete ass. There's like no tread anymore, so I decided to go with some new tires and rims as well, because like I said, the nail and everything. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm sure you guys are tired of me talking and y'all just want to see this shit get installed. Same with me, I want to see it get installed, so let's get into it. Now for a couple of nights, need to rebuild myself to come alive. It all makes sense now, now that the lights out. It's a different world to me, it makes me feel down. Wait until the storm comes down, until the sleep comes and makes it alright. Waiting for the morning light.
Alright guys, so as you see, we were in the shop putting the new tires on. My friend Nelson did it for me. Shit, but they look fucking badass. I mean, I'm speechless. I like the way they ride and everything. I don't know how people complain about these tires make so much noise. I mean, to be honest, they were better than my last ones, I think. But anyways, y'all can see the different angles on what it looks like from the back and the front and everything. This shit looks badass. But anyways, like I always say, stay safe and drive safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah.